Alright, so we set it up here for the moment, just on the frame. I'll do a quick walk around. So, I haven't tightened the frame yet. It's just kind of hand tight with the bolts down there. But we need to replace these two middle supports. So, I'm a firm believer, measured twice, cut once, so we'll measure them out here in just a second. Okay. Alright, so I've got this marked off. We measured it at 54 in the house. So let's just make sure it's still 54 on both sides. This one's got a little imperfection here, but I was hoping this would be on that side. So we'll cut on this side. That way, if I have to, I can shave it a little bit, but I can't grow wood. I can't make more, so. Let's get this one cut. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go test fit this and then I'll cut the other one. Alright, first test fit looked good. So we'll cut this one. Okay. And we'll go back inside. Okay, so I lied. Not back inside yet. Okay, so these line up good. Now we just need to get these holes prepped.
Tell me about the shot.
So this is the smallest hole that I've got, or the hole cutter, whatever you want to call this. So it is the smallest I've got, but I'm pretty sure it will work for what I want to do. think I just bottomed it out too. Let's get this other one going. Holes are much bigger, but there's a washer that goes around. And this is not particle board, so this should take better. The washer will definitely fit though. Okay. So have to, I can always get bigger washers to go around the holes. Alright, let's go set it on top of the other boards and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's the new board, and the holes do line up. I'll grab a washer here in a minute just to make sure, but they all do line up. So all we have to do now is I will probably mark the sides here so I know where they intersect here. Mark the middle, and then we'll be able to unscrew the old ones and bolt the new ones down. I'm probably going to set up some sort of a plumb line, a straight line, to make sure that they're even. So onward. Okay, so these are the bolts and the washers, and they do fit. It's kind of close. I might end up getting a couple extra bigger washers just to make sure that I don't run into a problem or doubling them up like this one. But they do fit. Okay, so I got the old boards out. Two new boards are lined up, but we do have a small problem. These are actually thicker by about 1/4 inch than what the MDF was. So, because it's 3-part slate, one slab sits there, one sits across the middle, and one sits here. So the center's not raised and I don't have a problem leveling it. I think I'm just going to go and, since I've got it this far tore apart and I don't like that it's MDF, I'll go ahead and pick up a piece to replace both sides, because I've got everything that I need to cut these, so I'll just use these as a template and we'll do that later. For now, I'm going to get these lined up and get some holes drilled, and I'm using much bigger screws to actually anchor it in. So I'll get you in a stand and then we'll do it. First one's lined up. I want to make sure that these go down below the board just a pinch. So they're not actually on the slate. Alright. Line this one up and we'll get it going. We've got the middle anchored. Yeah, it's good. Just making sure I'm still even. I could just drill the whole pilot hole separate, but where's the fun in that? Bugger. frustrated dog hair on the pool table. Let's see if this one still lines up. Yeah, that does. I can see my mark. Don't check it on the bottom. Okay. Alright, I'll come back for the next one. Okay, last one. It's already lined up. Pilot holes are drilled. Alright. So, much better. I'm probably going to pack this up for the night and move this back into the garage. And then we'll pick up when we do these. So I gotta measure and go get more cedar. Till next time.